Okay, in today's list, first of all, I want you to go through and read the words, then go through and highlight any of the common features. So you can see in this list, we're adding the suffix ship. So you know you can only use sh at the start or end of a short word. And because we're adding ship to these base words, we've got the sh in them. So you can go through and finish highlighting all of those. That's going to be a really easy part of the word for you to write. Then we want you to go through and syllabify them. Now I'm not going to do the whole lot, but I will give you an example. So let's pick this one here because it's a bit tricky. Re, now E is a long vowel sound, so you cut the syllable after the long vowel sound. We leave it open. We don't close it with a consonant. Relay, now A is a long vowel sound, so we cut the syllable after the long A sound. We don't close the syllable with a consonant. Shun does have a short vowel sound in there, and we're closing the syllable with a consonant. So we've got re, lay, shun, ship. Now another tricky one is down here. Dick, it is a short vowel, so we cut it between the C and the T. Tay, A is a short vowel sound, a long vowel sound, sorry, so we cut it after the long vowel sound. Or any R, any vowel with an R is an R-controlled vowel, so that always means it's going to make a long vowel sound, so we're going to cut it after the long vowel sound, after the R. So then we need to go through and talk about the meanings of these words. So let's have a look at those. So friendship, of course, means being a friend. Leadership is commanding a group or an organisation fairly and with integrity, and being able to delegate or influence and be grateful for the assistance of your team. Premiership is being the head of government, or it could also mean the top football league. Membership is belonging. A relationship is being connected and the way we behave towards each other. Citizenship is your nationality. Apprenticeship is someone who learns an art or a trade or a job under another person. A championship means a contest for the best player. Companionship means a feeling of friendship, and dictatorship means tyranny. So then we want you to go back and spell the words. Then you're going to cover them and write them 3 times. Check them to make sure they're right. If any of them are wrong, make sure you change them. Now it's a good idea to have a look at the little teaching points down here, and just if you get stuck on the day 2 with the meanings, come back and have another listen to this video today. Go through each of the words with your highlighter and highlight the common elements and anything within each of those words that may make the spelling easier for you in the future. So down here we want you to fill in the gaps in the sentences using the words given. So you've got friend or friendship, the sentence follows, so you've got to work out in which space each word fits. So you can complete those. Now down here you simply have to make new words, joining the 2 parts together. So membership, write it on the line, and then link it to the word that provides the best synonym for the word you've just written. Fill in the gap with the list word here. Now down the bottom you have to choose one of the list words, your choice, and write a sentence for it. And then we want you to write another sentence for its base word, containing the base word that you have recognised it from. In these words, all you have to do here is highlight the base word and then write the base word on each of those lines. Down here you have to fill in the gap with the list word or their base word, so you may have to take them back to that base word to make them fit the sentence. Down here we're going to circle the words to which ship can be added as a suffix, and then write them on the lines below, so that gives you a hint. There are 8 of them. And then down here we want you to pick 2 of those words that you can add ship to and write and use them in a sentence. Today's Day 4 activity is on referencing sources. So when writing informatively or persuasively, you will need to justify your claims by providing proof from a credible source. A credible source is trustworthy. It comes from someone or something, a doctor, scientist, university, respected publication. Who or that can be relied on to provide accurate information. First, state who or what the source is, then what they said. So according to the city's mayor, the flooding on Main Street was caused by a broken water main. So who or what the source is, and then what they said. The New York Times, who or what, reported the outcome of the election. A study by McGill University and the Douglas Mental Health Institute found that children who got good quality sleep did better academically in maths and languages. So you can use these other words to state, indicate who you're quoting. So note the underlined words. You can also use the following. So we've got said, demonstrate, prove, showed, discovered, examined, revealed, determined, confirmed, and there's more than that. So use your imagination or your extensive vocab to add some more to that list. So complete the following prompts. Use facts you already know or can quickly research. So the scientists, so you could use something you already know there, or you could quickly Google or search for some information.